Gates open, they're up. And racing, Tabaco moving up, Royal Princess. Aloha is running by the rail. Then comes Trojanite running on the outside. Quick Storm in between runners moving up is Spanish Drums. Then comes Gray Magic. Next in line, Royal Family and Flush Away is running at the tail of the field. Rounding at the last 600, Royal Princess in command by about a length and a half. Running in second, Aloha is Spanish Drums racing in third. Tabaco is on the outside and followed by Quick Storm as they turn for home. Royal Princess just in front, about to throw the challenge on the outside. Aloha and by the rail is Spanish Drums, and down the stretch they come. Royal Princess is Spanish Drums by the rail. Aloha is on the outside. Royal Princess this time by about 2 lengths is Spanish Drums in second. Aloha, and finally from start to finish, it's all the favorite. Royal Princess is Spanish Drums. Then comes Quick Storm, Aloha, and Tabaco.
Okay, 6-4-8-3-2.